Good morning, students. Welcome to Grow Big School online classes. I'm Yasmin ma'am, your science teacher. So, before I begin, let me let us have a recall. Okay, I have in my previous class I have started with the chapter the digestive system and teeth. Okay, so I explained you about the digestive system, right? What digestive systems comprises of your mouth, esophagus, that is your food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, and anus. Okay, they all have different functions. Okay, like what is the function of mouth? The digestion begins in the mouth. Okay, fine. Then when you chew, the food turns into paste. Then it passes from the food pipe and reaches the stomach. The liver secretes digestive juices, which helps in the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. Okay, small then that paste goes to the small intestine. Okay, and here the food breaks down even further until it becomes small enough to pass through the walls of small intestine into the bloodstream. The blood absorbs the nutrients of the food. Okay, the undigested food is pushed out into large intestine, and in large intestine the waste called feces is then expelled through anus. Okay, now let's move with the part 2 of this chapter. Now, as you know, children, that teeth are teeth are special area in humans, dogs, monkey, lion, tiger, etc. Okay, in all the mammals, teeth are very, very important. Okay, you know, if we do, if like you teeth help us in chewing our food first of all. Okay, besides this, they also help us to speak clearly and give a good look on our face. Okay, now tell me, when a baby is born, does it have teeth? Of course, you will say no. You are right. The babies, newborn babies don't have teeth. They are born without teeth. Okay, but 6 to when they grow, after 6 months, their teeth began to show. Okay, the teeth starts growing out of the gums. Now, by the time the child grows to 2 to 3 years old, 2 to 3 years old, okay, they have 20 teeth altogether. Okay, now at this stage, 2 to 3 years old, okay, at this stage, the teeth which which a child has, okay, are called milk teeth. Are called milk teeth. Okay, as the child grows, these teeth falls and new bigger and stronger teeth grow in their place. So that is why this milk teeth are called temporary teeth. Temporary teeth means they are for the time being. आप जब तक 2-3 years के हो, 6 to 7 years, 6 years के तक आपको जो है मिल्क टीथ आपके रहते हैं. After that, they starts following. Okay, and when you cross the age of 6 to 7 years, your temporary teeth start falling one by one, not all together. Okay, one by one. So to take their place, a new set of teeth start growing. Now this set has 32 teeth. Can you see the picture? All 32 teeth. Okay, and these are called permanent teeth. Clear concept? Milk teeth, temporary teeth, and permanent teeth. Fine. Temporary teeth are those which are milk teeth. Okay, and permanent teeth are teeth which children which grow or which take place after the milk teeth falls down. Okay. Now let us learn something more. Kind of teeth. As you all know, all our teeth are not of the same kind. हाँ, आपने अपने टीथ देखे होंगे, है ना? कोई छोटा, कोई बड़ा, वो सारे एक ही टाइप के नहीं होते. Okay? They are of 4 kinds according to the type of work they do, like biting, tearing, and chewing the food. Now those 4 kinds are, the first one is incisors, the second is canines, the third form is premolars, and the last, fourth one is molars. So these are different kind of teeth we have. Okay, incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Now let us study one by one about these kinds. Okay, so let's go and study first about incisors. Okay, can you see in the picture the front 4 teeth in the upper jaw and the front 4 teeth in the lower jaw? These front teeth are the incisors, and incisors are the cutting teeth. Means they cut whatever you eat first, they cut it, right? The front 4 teeth in the upper jaw, as I told you just now, and the lower jaw in our mouth are incisors. The incisors are the shovel or chisel shaped teeth. Can you see this side picture? It is like a shovel. Okay, shovel belcha. Okay, Hindi में बोलते हैं उसको. They are used for biting and cutting their food. Herbivores have sharp incisors to bite and cut leaves, grass, and fruit. Okay, so let us go to the next kind. Canines. Fine. Canines are the tearing teeth. After those front incisors, canines are just next to the incisors. ठीक है, वो जो pointed teeth हैं हमारे. Can you see the arrow here in the second picture? Here, okay. And here after the 4 incisors, sides में जो होते हैं, one canine is present on both the sides of the incisors on both the jaws. ऊपर भी same side में होते हैं canine के और नीचे भी, lower jaw में भी and upper jaw. Okay. There are total 4 canines. They are sharp, pointed, and are used for tearing and ripping the food. Carnivores have sharp, pointed canines to catch and kill the prey. Carnivores mean flesh-eating animals. Okay, they kill their prey, they tear the meat and eat it. Fine. So this was about canines. Now let's learn something about premolars. Okay, so premolars comes next to canines. They are broad and flat. There are total 8 premolars, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw of an adult. And you know what is the main function? Their function is to crack, crush, and chew the food. Okay, so they are so important. Now let's move on to the molars. Molars are present behind the premolars. Okay. As compared to the premolars, molars are bigger, flatter, and broader teeth. There are 12 molars. Okay, 12 molars. They also help to crush and grind the food well. Plant-eating animals have well-developed molars and premolars. Okay. Parts of a tooth. Let us learn. Let me show you the parts of a tooth. Okay. So, you know, let's see the basic structure of the tooth. It is common types for all teeth. The different parts of the tooth are the first part, the upper part, okay, is called the harder part is called the enamel. Then below the enamel, there is the dentine. Okay. Then the soft part of the tooth is the pulp. Then there are gums, the soft tissue that surrounds the base of the tooth. Okay, are the gums. And okay, come to the left hand side, look at the picture. The upper part of the tooth, the crown, that is called the crown, is visible part of the tooth. जो हमको ऊपर का दिखाई देता है दांत, उसको हम कहते हैं crown. ठीक है, crown. The center part is the neck, and the lower part the root. Fine. Then there are blood vessels as well. Okay, so this is these are the parts of a tooth. Now let's learn a little in detail. The tooth is white in color because of the enamel. The tooth is hard because of the dentine. Okay. Inside the dentine, there is a pulp which is very soft and full of nerves and blood vessels. Fine. Okay. See, if we don't brush, the germs breed there and form plaque around the roots of the teeth. Can you see the yellow thing? That is plaque. Okay, and also decays the tooth. We also have bad breath because of it. Okay, so to stop this, we should take proper care of our teeth. And how we should do that? We should rinse you should rinse your mouth every time after eating something. Brush your teeth at least twice a day. Use floss to clean between the teeth. What is floss? Floss is a silk thread, okay, which dentists prescribe that you can, if something is stuck in between your teeth, you can use that thread, floss. Okay. Use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. Visit your dentist regularly. Eat lots of fruit and vegetables which are healthy for your teeth and gums. Do not eat too many sweets and chocolates and avoid drinking too many sweet drinks. Okay? And please take care of your teeth. Okay? Because if you don't take care of your teeth, your teeth will start decaying. There will be cavity, there will be pain, and it is very painful when you go to the dentist. So please, to avoid all these things, you should take care of your teeth. Fine. Thank you so much, children. Bye.